eat like what you do. He don't understand me. He love me. Chip, you know what you need to do? You need go to work, do something with your life. Maybe you need to go to your gym. You know, push your... Sheesh! Ooh, what is position? Like a model. Like a supermodel, Chip. Ooh, what? Ooh, what? Ooh, what? Okay, okay. Oh, he kissed him! He kissed him, oh, he kissed the fatty dog. You enjoy? Oh my fuck, no, don't lick that dick. Chip, you are so stupidido. Hey, okay, listen to me. You need stop. Oh, wow, how children, huh? Oh my god, Chip, I talk to you. You can understand me, motherfucker. Really play with Chip, the lazy dog. Oh my god, Chili, you eat Chip. You eat Chili. Stop eat each other. You listen to me. Hey, please sit and listen to me. Sit here. Sit. No, Chip, I talk to you. Okay, guys, new scoop, yes, Chip change his location. Okay, now he is on the couch. Chip, why you every time sleep? You always sleeping, lazy dog. Kiss me. Go to sleep, motherfucker. Muscles, you know, be strong man. The all of ladies are following you, want you. You need, to be beautiful, with a muscle. Not every time to sleep and. Right.
Do ba 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 do do a do ba.
Chili, Tommy, today is the Christmas. Why are you so lazy? How you build the tree like that? You sleep on my. Believe it's not yours, okay? And I filmed it. Oh my god, Nikki on Chip. Oh my god. Chip competition. Who done the bone first? Who done it? Okay, Chip is the last. Chili is the number 2, and Tommy, yay, the hungry dog. Interesting about dead bone. Oh my god, wow, so strong. Chip, Tommy. Chip eat a bone, Chili eating a bone too, and Tommy eat a bone too. Together they eat a bone. Wow, they are so in. Hey, now he play the lazy dog, the ninja dog. What the fuck, the lazy ninja dog? Yeah, Gawabanga, Chip. What? Gawabanga. Where you go? They waiting for you. Chip, motherfucker. He will come. Hey, now you can play together. Yes. Your brothers, where you go? Chip, they're here. Chip searching about her brothers. Chip, no, they here. They waiting for you. Chip. Yeah, come on, Chip. Oh yeah. The lazy dog in the war. Yay, Chip, the athletic. Oh my god, Chip, why you don't play with Why you play with? Wow. You know that your sons won't eat together? Yes, you won't eat meat. This is why he won't eat your daughter.